In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation for the whole document in Word Online. Whether you're dealing with reports, essays, or creative projects, adjusting the page setup to suit your needs is essential. Sometimes you might find that changing from portrait to landscape or vice versa allows your content to be displayed more effectively, so let's dive into this simple process and make your document look just the way you want it. First things first, you'll want to open your document in Word Online. Word Online is a versatile tool accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, making it super handy for remote work or collaborative projects. This version of Word offers much of the familiar functionality you're used to, but it's streamlined for ease of use online. Once you have your document open, take a look a bit above the main writing area, and you'll find the ribbon, which is where all your primary editing tools are housed. In the ribbon, you'll spot various tabs that allow you to modify everything from your text font to page layout. For our task today, focus on the Layout tab. Give it a click. The Layout tab is where all your page setup options are housed. Here, you'll find tools for adjusting your document's margins, size, and, most importantly, its orientation. Once in the Layout view, look for the option that says Orientation. It might be in a drop-down menu, or it could appear as a subtle button, but rest assured, it's there. When you click on Orientation, you'll be presented with two straightforward options: Portrait and Landscape. Portrait orientation is the traditional 8.5 by 11 vertical setup, which is probably what most documents default to. However, if you're working with tables, images, or designs that stretch wider across the page, landscape orientation might serve you better with its horizontal layout. Simply click on the option that best fits your needs. If you're looking to accommodate wider content, select Landscape. If you're aiming for a more traditional document style, then Portrait will be your choice. As soon as you make your selection, the orientation change is applied to the entire document. This is crucial, especially if you're preparing a document for print or presentation, as the overall layout consistency plays a big role in readability and aesthetic presentation. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can ensure your document's orientation suits the content appropriately, providing a professional and polished final product every time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more quick tips to enhance your Word Online experience.